In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Planner integrations with Microsoft Loop. We'll start in Microsoft Planner. Open My Planner and choose any existing plan you want to work with. This can be a team board you already use or a test plan, anything with tasks you'd like to surface elsewhere. At the top of the plan, next to the plan title, open the small dropdown. From that menu, select Copy Link to Plan. This grabs a shareable link that respects your organization's permissions, so only people who already have access will be able to interact with it later. Now switch over to Microsoft Loop and open the workspace and page where your team collaborates. Think of this page as your project hub, notes, ideas, and live task views all in one place. Paste the planner link directly onto the Loop page. Loop will recognize it and in a moment convert the link into an embedded component if it stays as plain text. Press space or enter or choose the option to preview or embed. You can move or resize the component to fit your layout. You now have an interactive Kanban style planner board right inside Loop. You can drag tasks between buckets, open task details, edit descriptions, and add new cards without leaving your page. Everything you do here is working against the same plan in Planner. Next, create a lightweight task list in Loop by typing /task list. This is great for quick capture during meetings or brainstorming without the overhead of setting up buckets first. Here's the powerful part. Tasks you add to that Loop task list automatically create a corresponding plan in Microsoft Planner behind the scenes. Each item becomes a real planner task, so you can assign people, add due dates, and track progress using either interface. All changes stay in sync in real time. Update titles, assignments, or deadlines in Loop, and you'll see those updates instantly in Planner, and edits you make in Planner flow right back to Loop. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a second or refresh. It's usually near instant. Anything assigned to you in a Loop task list or in the embedded Planner board will also show up in Microsoft To Do under Assigned to Me. That means your personal task view stays current without any extra work. Use this workflow to brainstorm in Loop, convert ideas into tasks on the spot, and let Planner handle structure while To Do keeps your day organized. With one link and one task list, your team gets shared visibility and you get a clean personal queue. Try it on your next project and watch planning, collaboration, and follow through come together seamlessly.